Hey everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. It's the other host Jack, and today we have something really fast today. We're going to make some spicy chip dip, specifically of the Tomatillo variety. So let's go and get right into it. Alright, we have a lot here, but trust me, this is really fast to make. We have 6 tomatillos, we have 2 large avocados, we have 2 jalapenos. I de-seeded all of them, but I kept the nice and spicy part on at least one of these. We have half a bushel of cilantro. There's 4 garlic cloves and half a white onion. And we're going to need 4 ounces of sour cream, so half a cup. And we're going to need some salt and pepper. Oh, and before I forget, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Alright, so first up we want to add our half cup of sour cream. We're going to add our tomatillos. Let's go ahead and blend that down. Now let's go ahead and add our onion. Let's add our garlic. Add the garlic. Add the jalapenos. And let's get that blended. Alright, now let's add some avocado. Now we add our cilantro. And then 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And then blend until smooth. Alright, so yeah, that's how you make tomatillo dip. It's really easy to do. It comes out nice and smooth, a little bit creamy and thick. And you can customize the spice level as much as you want. You can use any kind of pepper, sweet, hot. You can de-seed it, leave the seeds in. It's completely up to you and how much you want your heat. I only use 2 peppers. You can use 3, 4, 5, as much as you want. Yeah, if you can also do this by hand. It's going to take forever though. It's not easy to do, and you won't be able to get it nearly as creamy and smooth. But you're in for one heck of a workout if you choose to do it that way. And so yeah, there you have it. I won't be surprised if this video is 3 minutes long, but hey, it's perfect for this. Tomatillo dip, as I mentioned, super quick and easy to do. It's great for parties, especially if you're hosting or having guests. And it tastes really good as a chip dip. It's also really good with a side for pretty much any kind of Mexican food or even American food if you want to go that route. So yeah, thanks for watching. You can catch us Tuesdays, Fridays, and sometimes Saturdays and Wednesdays. Yeah, Saturdays and Wednesdays as well. I'm trying to get more videos out to you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you next time.